Welcome to Auto Gear, the channel, where we bring you the latest, rarest, and most exciting updates from the world of cars. Whether they are concept reimaginings, retro comebacks, or cutting-edge electric vehicles, our focus is on honest insights in depth, reviews, and detailed specs. If you love cars with character, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to Reviews, where we take an even deeper dive into performance comparisons and real-world impressions. Now let's talk about one of the most surprising and nostalgic returns of the modern car era. The 2025 Peugeot 504 has re-emerged as a completely reimagined model, paying tribute to the iconic sedan and coupe of the 1970s while updating everything for today's standards. The new 504 takes vintage charm and combines it with futuristic engineering, offering an experience that's both unique and relevant in today's automotive landscape. The exterior design of the 2025 Peugeot 504 is bold and intentionally retro. The front fascia features a wide grille with a subtle mesh pattern and a horizontal LED strip running across the front, accentuating its width. The headlamps are squared with quad lighting elements inspired by the original 504, while the body lines are clean, muscular, and defined by chrome accents around the windows and door frames. The rear design is equally striking with full-width tail lamps that subtly echo the rear end of the classic model. The car sits low and wide, giving it an aggressive but elegant stance that sets it apart from other mid-size sedans. Dimensionally, the new 504 is slightly larger than a typical D-segment sedan, with a wheelbase designed for maximum interior space and a refined ride profile. Its alloy wheels range from 18 to 21 inches depending on the trim level, with a lowered suspension on the GT variant giving it a sportier posture. The exterior color palette includes vintage hues like deep navy mustard yellow and forest green, along with more contemporary, metallic tones. Inside the 2025 Peugeot 504 is where the most interesting blend of old and new happens. The dashboard is horizontal and symmetrical, with tactile metal knobs and wooden inlays that nod to the original design. But instead of analog dials, there's a high-resolution, customizable digital instrument panel. The central infotainment system floats slightly above the dash, like a standalone tablet, providing access to Peugeot's latest iCockpit user interface. It includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto voice control, gesture support, and over-the-air updates. Seating is crafted with a blend of premium leather and eco-conscious recycled materials, which varies depending on the trim. Buyers can choose between a two-tone vintage brown leather or a minimalist monochrome gray with Alcantara inserts. The front seats are heavily bolstered with massage and ventilation functions, while rear passengers enjoy an exceptionally spacious bench with a fold-down armrest, climate controls, and USB-C charging ports. Under the hood, the 2025 Peugeot 504 is available in both hybrid and fully electric versions. The base hybrid model pairs a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with a 100 kW electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 230 horsepower. This version uses an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, while the hybrid GT version adds all-wheel drive and bumps power to approximately 290 horsepower. The fuel economy of the hybrid model is rated at 20 kilometers per liter, or roughly 47 miles per gallon, which makes it one of the most efficient retro-styled sedans on the market. The full electric E version of the 504 features a 77 kWh battery pack and dual motors, providing 320 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km/h time of 5.8 seconds. The range is estimated at 500 kilometers or 310 miles on the WLTP cycle. Charging options include fast charging capability with up to 180 kWh DC support, allowing 80% battery in just 25 minutes. Home charging through a 7.4 kWh wall series box takes approximately 8 hours, making it suitable for overnight top-ups in terms of driving dynamics. The 2025 Peugeot 504 offers a composed, refined, and quiet ride with emphasis on comfort rather than aggressive performance. The steering is light but responsive, and the adaptive dampers help the car adjust its suspension settings in real time based on road conditions. The GT trim includes a stiffer chassis recalibrated steering, and sportier brake tuning, which gives it a more dynamic edge. For drivers looking for a more engaging ride without sacrificing, comfort technology plays a major role in the new 504. Safety systems are comprehensive and include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go traffic jam, assist lane centering, blind spot, monitoring cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and fatigue monitoring. The car also features a new AI-driven predictive navigation system that adjusts routes based on real-time traffic, weather, and even your driving habits. Over-the-air updates keep all systems current with no dealership visit required. Another interesting highlight is the mood lighting and in-cabin personalization features. The cabin has ambient lighting zones that change based on drive mode or user preference. You can even create profiles that remember your seat climate.